we'll get two windows. One is block diagram window and other is front panel. We'll save as our registration number. My registration number is 19BEE0199. So firstly we'll explain. So my question is to find out the sum of first n even numbers. So our sum would be is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to n. We'll right click and add a numeric control and name it as n. We'll right click on it and make the representation and change it to byte. We'll right click and go to structure and select for loop, as my program is to find using for loop. There are two things here. One is loop count, another is loop iteration. The loop count tell us how many times our for loop will be executed. For loop is a control flow statement we use to execute a block of the sub diagram code a set number of times. So firstly we'll right click on this on the border of the for loop and add shift register. We'll right click on our loop iteration and create a constant and give the value as 0. We'll take this 0 and put it here and connect a 0 to the shift register. We'll right click and add a increment and connect it with the loop iteration. We'll right click again and add a multiplier. This multiplier multiplies, so we'll connect this one side and the other side. For the other input of the multiplier, we'll give a constant. We'll right click and create a constant and give as 2. We'll right click again and add a adder. We'll give the one side of the one input of the adder from this shift register and the other input from this multiplier, and then give this output to the shift register. We'll right click and add a numeric indicator. Which will tell us about our output sum. We'll name it as sum. We'll again right click and change the representation to byte. We'll connect this to a shift register. Let's give our n as 5. So when we give our n as 5, this n will take the value as 5 and our loop count is 5. So as our loop count is 5, our program will be executed 5 number of times. So firstly, when is this I, it will take values from 0. When our I is 0, it will get incremented to +1, which is 0 plus 1 is 1, and then it will go to our multiplier 1 into 2, which is 2. Then it will go to this adder, and one input of this will get from this side, which is a 2, and the other input from this side, which is a constant 0. So our output will be 2. Similarly, when this 2 will come this side, and this constant will become 2. And from this side, so one side of the input of this adder is 2, and the other side, this time the I will take a value as 1, it will get incremented to 2. Then after 2, it will get multiplied by 2. 2 into 2 is 4, and the other side of our input of this adder is 2, and this side and it will become 4. The other side of the input, this side it will come 2, so 2 plus 4 is 6. So our sum is now 6. Then again this loop will get executed 5 number of times, and after n is equal to 6, it will get terminated. So it will only take up to n is equal to 5. So let me execute. We'll click on this bulb icon and then run. This will show you stepwise. See, it is taking as 2, then it is coming as 4 into plus 2 is 6, then 12, then it is 20, and then it is 30. So our sum is 30. Thank you, sir.